Hi, I'm Jody Wallace with 3D Perspectives. 3D represents discovery, direction, and decision. I am your business and life coach with a master's in neuro-linguistic programming. I'm also a spiritual director. I put your life in 3D. Welcome. In order to love yourself and accept yourself and what have you, the first thing that you need to do is you need to make a decision, a commitment. What I find is that a lot of people will say they want that, but they're not willing to do the work to create that for themselves. And it really boils down to self-esteem in a lot of ways. Through the coaching process, we find out, and through the NLP process, we find out, what created this belief to begin with. Because there's a belief that's limited that somehow you're not worthy of self-love. And so once we find out what the source of that is, then we can actually change that through the NLP process. And what comes out of that is a higher self-esteem, a higher awareness. But the first step that you have to take is you have to decide that regardless of how challenging it might be to walk through it. And that's where people get stuck. So, because it can feel a little uncomfortable at first, but that's because there's wounds that need to be healed, most likely. So, but you're in a safe place to do that. And with 3D Perspectives, you can rest assured that you will feel so much different and better as long as you stay committed to the process.